do as I say, not as I do has now become kind of, the new motto for the government. It's asinine. Like, I have no words.
Albertans furious to learn while they've been instructed to stay home to stop the spread of COVID-19, UCP politicians chose to jet set to tropical vacations. One Airdrie woman fears these actions could take a turn for the worse in light of the sacrifices Albertans have made to protect their family and community over the holidays.
When you have a medical child, you literally live day to day. He's not been out of the house except to go to Children's Hospital since March.
Leah Lucier's son Braden is a palliative child who wasn't expected to survive his emergency C-section birth at 32 weeks. Mr. B, as they like to call him, is now 9 years old. Lucier says his current health is the best it's ever been, which is why they had hoped 2020 was the year her family would go on a special trip through Make-A-Wish Canada.
The thought of something so amazing and so wonderful as going to Hawaii and having my children experience that was just something to look forward to.
Lucier's plan was to take her 3 sons to Hawaii during the Christmas break. But when the pandemic hit and with the increase in confirmed COVID-19 cases,
it pretty much kiboshed any plans that we had of travel.
When news hit that Municipal Affairs Minister Tracy Allard went to Hawaii over the holidays,
she just so casually decided that, she wanted to keep up with her own family traditions after basically telling everybody else to stay home and stay safe. Infuriating, to say the least.
It feels like a betrayal of trust for the citizens that have elected these officials.
This Calgary healthcare worker spent her holidays in surgery at Rocky View Hospital. COVID-19 restrictions meant she had a Christmas without family or friends as she recovered. She was speechless to learn how her MLA, Tanya Furr, spent her holidays.
So knowing that I was alone in hospital, couldn't even, see my immediate family, and yet my own MLA was in Vegas visiting her sister, it's asinine. Like, I have no words.
My fear is that it's going to snowball, because if you can't even walk the walk and talk the talk at the top of the political pyramid in this province, why would you expect the average people are going to follow through too?
In Calgary, Jackie Perez, City News.